What's up, everybody? Today, I'm revealing how to skyrocket a brand new social media account from 0 to 100,000 followers. Fast. Forget slow growth. In 2025, the rules have changed, and I've tested every strategy to find what actually works. I'm giving you the exact playbook 7 steps to explode your growth on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. We'll cover how to define your audience, optimize your profile, and create binge-worthy content. Plus, I'll show you my secret weapon for scaling up without burning out, using Fiverr experts to automate your growth. Stick around for a step-by-step blueprint to dominate social media this year. Let's dive in. The first step is absolutely non-negotiable. Define your niche and audience before you post anything. If you skip this, you're setting yourself up for confusion and wasted effort down the line. Think of it as laying the foundation for a house. Without it, everything else will crumble. Get ultra-specific. Don't just target gamers. Target 18-24-year-old FPS fans who binge Twitch after work. The more you narrow it down, the more you'll understand exactly who you're speaking to and what they care about. The more specific you get, the easier it is to stand out and build a loyal community. People want to feel like your content is made just for them, not for everyone. Write down what you're passionate about and who you want to reach. The narrower, the better. This clarity will guide every piece of content you create and help you stay consistent. Build a profile of your ideal viewer. Age, interests, pain points, even their favorite platforms. Imagine their daily routine, what excites them, and what problems they're trying to solve. Lurk in Reddit threads, Facebook groups, and comment sections to see what your audience cares about. Pay attention to the language they use, the questions they ask, and the content they engage with most. Don't be afraid to start super niche. You can always expand later, but starting broad makes it almost impossible to get noticed at the beginning. Remember, Mr. Beast started small and grew by dominating a specific niche first. He didn't try to appeal to everyone, he focused, and that's what made him stand out. When you're the go-to for one thing, the algorithm knows exactly who to show your content to. This makes your growth more predictable and your audience more engaged. This leads to higher click-through rates, more watch time, and faster growth. You'll see your numbers climb because you're serving exactly what your audience wants. Spend real time researching and defining your audience. It's the cheat code for everything that follows. Most creators skip this step, but it's what separates the pros from the amateurs. Nail this, and every other step becomes easier. Don't skip it or you'll be playing catch-up forever. Take a day, get specific, and set yourself up for massive growth. Treat this as your launchpad, not just a box to check. Let's move to the next step. Your profile is your first impression. Make it count. Use a clear, high-quality photo of your face. People connect with people, not logos or pets. Your bio should instantly tell visitors who you are, what you do, and what value they'll get. Example: I help you cook 5-ingredient vegan meals, new recipes daily. Follow for more. Use your bio link wisely. Send people to your YouTube, blog, or a link tree with all your important links. Make your feed look intentional and cohesive. Consistent colors and style build trust. Audit your profile. Is your photo clear? Is your bio focused? Is your link being used? Is your feed visually appealing? Fix anything that doesn't scream "follow me." This applies to every platform: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Organize your highlights and banners to showcase your best content and value. Don't leave your profile to chance. Optimize every detail. A polished profile converts visitors into followers. Fast. Take an hour to upgrade your profile today. It's the quickest way to boost your follower count. Let's talk content. Content is king. No matter how many tricks or hacks you try, if your content doesn't connect, nothing else will work. It's the foundation of everything you do online. If your videos aren't good, nothing else matters. You can have the best camera, the fanciest editing, or the most expensive ads, but if people don't care about what you're sharing, they'll scroll right past. High quality doesn't mean expensive gear. It means your message is clear, your visuals are engaging, and your story is worth watching. Use your phone, but focus on good lighting, clear audio, and delivering real value. Even simple setups can look and sound amazing if you pay attention to the basics. Every post should entertain or educate your audience. If you can do both, even better. Think about what your viewers want to learn, laugh at, or feel inspired by. Ask yourself, would my ideal follower stop scrolling for this? If not, rethink your approach. Your content should grab attention instantly. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, tell a clear story, and deliver on your promise. Consistency is key, but so is making every second count. Pick a posting schedule you can stick to. Better to post 3 great videos a week than burn out trying to do too much. Quality always beats quantity in the long run. Batch create, brainstorm, film, and edit in blocks to stay ahead and avoid burnout. Planning ahead gives you freedom and keeps your creativity flowing. Use templates for videos, graphics, and captions to streamline your process. Templates save time and help you stay consistent with your brand. Quality and quantity matter. Build systems so you can deliver both. A good system lets you focus on creativity, not chaos. Don't reinvent the wheel every day. Systematize your workflow so you can spend more time creating and less time stressing. The best creators produce lots of high-value content by working smart, not just hard. Efficiency is your secret weapon. Make your content binge-worthy and impossible to ignore. Aim to create videos people can't help but watch one after another. This is how you build momentum and keep growing. Every great video adds up over time. Treat content creation like a job. Your audience and the algorithm will reward you for your dedication and effort. Stay consistent, stay valuable, and watch your numbers climb. Growth comes from showing up and delivering value day after day. Next, let's supercharge your reach and get your content in front of even more people. Ready to go viral? Here's how you can make it happen. Let's talk trends and hashtags and how to use them to your advantage. To get discovered in today's crowded social media landscape, you need to leverage trends and hashtags strategically. It's not just about posting content, it's about making sure the right people see it at the right time. Trends are your shortcut to massive reach. Find what's blowing up and adapt it to your niche. The sooner you spot a trend, the more likely you are to ride that wave to viral success. Don't just copy trends, put your unique spin on them to deliver value to your audience. Audiences crave originality, so remix what's popular in a way that feels fresh and authentic to your brand. Spend at least 15 minutes daily analyzing trending audios, formats, and memes. This habit keeps you ahead of the curve and helps you spot patterns before they peak. Save what's hot and plan how to use it. Build a library of inspiration so you're never scrambling for ideas when it's time to create. Jump on trends fast, they fade quickly. Timing is everything, so don't wait until a trend is already everywhere. Hashtags are your targeting tool, connecting your content to the right audience and conversations. Use a mix: broad, #vegan, niche, #vegan recipes, and ultra-specific, #15-minute vegan burger. Research hashtags, don't just guess. The right combination increases your chances of being discovered by both large and highly engaged audiences. Use the search bar to see what's popular and relevant. Look for hashtags that are active but not oversaturated, so your content doesn't get lost. The right hashtags help the algorithm find your ideal viewers, boosting your reach and engagement. Combine trends and smart hashtags for maximum reach. This synergy is what propels your content beyond your current followers. This is how you get a video to pop off and bring in thousands of new followers overnight. Viral growth is possible when you master these tools. Be a trend spotter and hashtag strategist in your niche. Make it a daily practice to review analytics and adjust your approach. Analyze, adapt, and act quickly. The faster you move, the more likely you are to stand out. Don't waste time on generic tags or stale trends. Focus on what's working right now. Use every post as a chance to reach new people. Treat each upload as an opportunity to expand your audience. This is your growth accelerator. Trends and hashtags are the fuel for your social media rocket. Master this and you'll see explosive results, more views, more engagement, and a rapidly growing follower base. Now let's talk about building real community, because viral reach is just the beginning of your journey. Your followers are real people, treat them like it. Engagement is everything. Reply to comments, especially in the first hour after posting. Ask questions, start conversations, and make your audience feel seen. More engagement signals the algorithm to push your content further. Don't just say thanks. Ask what they liked or what they want to see next. Respond to DMs. A quick reply can turn a casual viewer into a loyal fan. Use calls to action. Ask viewers to comment, vote in polls, or suggest topics. Build community spaces like a Facebook group or Discord for your most dedicated fans. Give behind-the-scenes access and interact personally. Social media is about connection, not just broadcasting. The strongest creators have the most passionate communities. These are your superfans. They'll support you for years. Start building those relationships now. Never get too big to engage. It's the best investment you can make in your growth. Ready to 10x your growth overnight? Collaborate. Partnering with other creators or brands exposes you to new targeted audiences instantly. Look for creators in your niche with similar or slightly larger followings. Don't aim for the biggest names right away. Build genuine relationships, follow, comment, and engage before pitching a collab. When you reach out, focus on the value you bring to their audience. Pitch a specific creative idea and offer to handle the heavy lifting. Collaborations with brands work the same way. Show how your audience is a perfect fit. Create a mock-up of a sponsored post and send a professional pitch. The worst they can say is no. The best is a partnership that accelerates your growth and income. When a brand or creator shares your content, you get instant credibility and reach. Don't wait for opportunities. Create them. Plan your first collaboration now. It's the fastest way to grow and build authority. Leverage the power of partnerships. Let's talk about scaling up even more. Want to scale faster? Delegate. Fiverr is packed with experts, video editors, social media managers, graphic designers ready to help you grow. Focus on what you do best, being the face and creative force of your brand. Hire pros for editing, captions, hashtags, banners, and more. I found a top-rated social media manager on Fiverr who built my content calendar and engagement plan, freeing me to create. Search for the skill you need, filter by budget and reviews, and find your perfect match. It's like having a marketing agency on demand. This isn't cheating, it's smart business. Identify your biggest bottleneck and hire someone to handle it. Use the link in my description for my favorite Fiverr gigs. Save time, get better results, and put your growth on autopilot. Don't try to do it all alone, let the pros help you scale. That's the complete 7-step playbook to crush social media in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll see real growth, no magic, just proven strategy. Now it's your turn. Take action and execute. If you got value, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Comment your favorite tip below. I'll be reading and replying. Remember, you don't have to do it all yourself. Hire a pro on Fiverr to help you scale. Check the link in the description for my top recommendations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.